It's Tim Albright with AVNation at ISE 2024 in the Legrand AV Booth with Maikel Copin. How are you, sir?
Thank you very much. I'm very well. It's a very busy show, and we're very happy.
Very busy show. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're recording this on day 2.
Yeah.
It feels a bit busier today than it did yesterday, quite frankly.
Yesterday it was also busy, and today is fantastic.
Yeah.
People are moving on all over the booths and very interested in our products, so we're very happy with the show.
Yeah. We are standing in front of a brand new screen, which our wonderful camera crew and director, he had some, he was juggling some things. But you were talking about Myriad with sideline. We've known sideline for a number of years now.
Yes.
Now you're taking it a step further. What have you guys done with Myriad?
Yeah, what was very cool, when 2 years ago we launched the sideline, and we did that as well in the USA as in Europe, and people were very enthusiastic about the ease of installation and the aesthetical aspect of having a floating screen. So ever since, we had installers, integrators, distributors, everybody asking us, okay, this is cool, but we see a broader application. We see actually the possibility of having it in a broader, bigger spectrum. So can you go wider? Can you have a bigger cable drop? And the original sideline is ceiling recessed. We would like to have it on wall or on ceiling as well. So that's exactly what Myriad does. So Myriad with the sideline cable drop system, it's a 5 meter wide max electrical powered screen. There's a 5 meter cable drop, and it can be mounted on a wall and on a ceiling. In combination with a slick case design, because it looks aesthetically very nicely. So we're very happy and proud. It's the first time that we actually show it to the public, and the reactions are good so far.
So really quick question about the ceiling versus wall mount, right?
Yeah.
When you're designing it, or you're talking to your integrator, you're like, you know what? I like the sight line. I like the cable drop, the ability, you call it floating screen. I like that. At what point is it the same SKU? Is it the same box? Or is it two different SKUs? They have to decide if they want it wall mounted versus ceiling mounted.
What was very important is that we want to make it super easy for our customers to order it. So it's a co-development project between the USA and Europe. And by doing that, we have the customer care giving exactly the same answer in the US as in Europe.
Okay.
So this one is on wall and on ceiling, being one case.
Very good.
Later on in the year, probably in Infocom, if I guess, there will also be a ceiling recessed version of this 5 meter wide sideline with a ceiling recessed screen.
All right, the one thing I like about your booth is that we can do several things at once. So now we're talking about the Parallax.
I only had a limited amount.
I like the aesthetics and the functionality here. So now we're talking about Parallax. Obviously, we've known that for a number of years, but what are you guys showing today?
What we're showing here especially is that when you have ultra short row, because we have long throw, ultra short row, ALR, etc. We have a Parallax Pure 0.45 with ultra short row. It has great ambient light feature aspects to it. We're showing this in combination with a 21.9 projector and this whole MTR setup with the different brands of Legrand. We have MAP, we have the video camera, and then we have the screen combination. So we can provide a full solution for everything that is out there. And as you can see, it's a very big ultra short row screen.
Very big.
Looks fantastic.
All right, Maikel, somebody wants to find out more about Daylight or Legrand. How do they do that?
Best way now is to come to Barcelona and visit the booth, and I'll showcase it to you. But if you want to go virtually, then you can go to legrandav.com.
All right, very good. Maikel from Legrand AV. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv. Find more videos from the show floor of ISE 2024. All that and more at avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv.